TTL Computer II. Hey, so today I thought I would do an unboxing video since the PCB order came from for the clock circuit. So yeah, this is the box from JLC PCB. Really nice looking box. It just comes in a blue plastic, same color plastic mailing wrapper. The box is enclosed in that, but I removed that. But yeah, pretty nice box. Looks pretty good. And I don't know. Let's see what we have. Okay, wrapping. Hey, and here we go. 5 PC boards. Green, quantity 5. Very nice. Looking pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay. Try and open these. Let's see. Pretty nicely vacuum sealed here. And it's not going to be easy to get out. Here we go. Don't want to scratch these boards. I think we can get these out now. All right, here we go. So 5 boards. It looks like 5 boards is the minimum order that you can place, which seems pretty standard. So nice looking on the silk screen. Looking at the pad sizes, I don't have to look pretty small for the solder pads. I need to make those bigger next time. But yeah, the silk screen looks pretty good. Nice finish to the boards, pretty solid. See, all of our V is in here. Well, I'd say that pretty much follows what we did in the design. I'll have to check and make sure that I'll drop in some of the chips and make sure that they fit the footprints. But yeah, I don't know. These pad sizes look pretty small. I don't know if I need to make them bigger next time. Those are the default pad sizes that come with Easy EDA. So I don't know if those are typical values or minimum values that they provide. Seems like some of the settings are actually minimum values. But yeah, I don't know. I'll have to look a little bit closer at the pad sizes. That's the only thing that really jumps out at me as questionable. But yeah, the board looks pretty good. And that's it. So we get 5. So yeah, this whole order was $27. So it was really only like $9 for the boards. And the rest was like shipping and taxes and fees. So it'll be interesting to see what the price of the boards is for the larger boards, because this is about the smallest of the boards that we'll be making for TTL Computer II. The next board will be larger because that's going to be the jig testing board. That'll be a bit larger than this, but obviously not as big as the motherboard will be. That'll be the largest of the boards. All right, well, that's our unboxing. JLC PCB looks like a good option and certainly fast. 4 days from when I submitted the job to fabrication and to when I was received at my doorstep. So that's pretty, can't expect that to be any faster than that. And I think these came from, I think JLC PCB is in Hong Kong. At least that's what it says. It says on the shipping information. That's at least where it shipped from, I assume. Doesn't mean the manufacturing was there, but likely it is. Okay, so that's it. Just a quick unboxing video. Till next time, that's it. Thanks for watching.